Imagine trying to use a door with no handle. Frustrating, right? This simple scenario highlights a fundamental issue in design. When the needs and experiences of the user are not considered, even the most basic tasks can become challenging. This is where human-centered design, or HCD, comes into play. Human-centered design, or HCD, is about making things that are easy and enjoyable to use. It's a design philosophy that prioritizes the user's experience above all else. Whether it's a product, a service, or an entire system, HCD ensures that the end result is intuitive and accessible. It's about putting people first. This means understanding their needs, preferences, and limitations. It involves empathy and a deep commitment to improving the quality of life for the users. By focusing on the human aspect, designers can create solutions that are not only functional, but also meaningful and engaging. HCD is a way of designing products, services, and experiences that focuses on the needs and wants of the people who will use them. This approach involves a lot of research and testing. Designers observe and interact with users to gather insights about their behaviors and challenges. They create prototypes and iterate on their designs based on user feedback. It's about understanding how people behave, what they find easy or difficult, and what they enjoy. This understanding is crucial because it guides the design process, ensuring that the final product is aligned with the user's needs. For instance, if users find a particular feature confusing, designers can modify it to be more intuitive. By putting people at the center of the design process, we can create things that are not only useful, but also delightful to use. This user-centric approach leads to higher satisfaction and better engagement. When users feel that a product or service is designed with their needs in mind, they are more likely to have a positive experience and become loyal customers. In essence, human-centered design is about creating a harmonious relationship between people and the things they use, making everyday interactions smoother and more enjoyable. HCD isn't just a nice idea, it's a structured approach. There are some key principles that guide the HCD process. First, we must empathize with the user. This means truly understanding their needs, desires, and pain points. Second, we define the problem we're trying to solve, clearly and concisely. Third, we brainstorm and ideate a wide range of possible solutions. Finally, we create prototypes and test them with real users, iterating on our designs based on their feedback. Before we can design something amazing, we need to understand who we're designing it for. What are their goals? What challenges do they face? HCD emphasizes the importance of user research. We observe people, talk to them, and learn about their experiences. By understanding their motivations and behaviors, we can design solutions that are truly relevant and effective. User engagement is at the heart of HCD. It's not enough to just ask people what they want. We need to observe how they interact with the world around them. We use a variety of methods to gather user insights, such as interviews, surveys, and usability testing. This direct feedback is invaluable in helping us to create designs that are intuitive and enjoyable to use. The impact of human-centered design can be seen in many successful products and services. This approach focuses on understanding the needs, wants, and limitations of end users, and then designing solutions that address these factors in the most effective way possible. By putting people at the center of the design process, companies can create products that are not only functional, but also intuitive and enjoyable to use. Take, for example, the iPod. When Apple introduced the iPod, it wasn't just another gadget in the market. It was a game changer. The sleek design, combined with an easy-to-use interface, made it a must-have item for music lovers around the world. Apple didn't just create a music player, they revolutionized how people listen to music. The iPod allowed users to carry their entire music library in their pocket, making music more accessible than ever before. This innovation was a direct result of Apple's commitment to human-centered design. By focusing on user experience, they created a product that was not only functional, but also desirable and easy to use. The intuitive click wheel and seamless integration with iTunes made the iPod a joy to use, setting a new standard for digital music players. Another great example is Airbnb. This platform transformed the way people travel and find accommodations. Before Airbnb, travelers were limited to hotels and traditional lodging options. Airbnb opened up a world of possibilities by allowing people to rent out their homes or spare rooms to travelers. By understanding the needs and desires of both travelers and hosts, Airbnb created a platform that disrupted the hospitality industry. They made it easy for hosts to list their properties and for travelers to find unique and affordable places to stay. This focus on user experience and community has made Airbnb a beloved service worldwide, demonstrating the power of human-centered design in creating successful, impactful products and services. Beyond functionality, the benefits of human-centered design are immense. It's not just about creating products that work, it's about creating products that resonate with users on a deeper level. When we talk about HCD, we're talking about a philosophy that prioritizes the needs, wants, and limitations of the end users at every stage of the design process. HCD is about more than just making things work. It's about making things work well for people. This approach ensures that the final product is not only functional, but also intuitive and delightful to use. By focusing on the user experience, designers can create solutions that are more accessible and inclusive, catering to a diverse range of users. By putting the user at the center of the design process, we can create products, services, and experiences that are more usable and enjoyable. This user-centric approach leads to designs that are more likely to meet the actual needs of the users, rather than just the assumed needs. It encourages continuous feedback and iteration, ensuring that the product evolves based on real user input. Easier to learn, use, and remember. They become more effective, reducing the learning curve and minimizing user frustration. When products are designed with the user in mind, they are more likely to be adopted and appreciated. This leads to higher user satisfaction and loyalty, better at solving the user's problem. They are more engaging, keeping users interested and invested in the product. Engaging products can lead to increased usage and a stronger connection between the user and the product. This connection can translate into a competitive advantage in the market, making them more enjoyable and satisfying to use. When users enjoy using a product, they are more likely to recommend it to others, leading to organic growth and a positive reputation. Satisfaction also means that users are more likely to return to the product, ensuring long-term success. And they are more innovative. HCD fosters creativity by encouraging designers to think outside the box and explore new possibilities. This innovation is driven by a deep understanding of user needs and behaviors, leading to groundbreaking solutions that can set new industry standards, leading to new and creative solutions. By continuously involving users in the design process, HCD ensures that the final product is not only innovative, but also relevant and impactful. This approach can lead to the development of products that truly make a difference in people's lives, driving both user satisfaction and business success. The future of design is human. As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, the need for human-centered design will only become more important. In a world increasingly dominated by digital interfaces and complex systems, it is crucial that we design technology that is accessible, intuitive, and enjoyable to use. The future of design is about creating technology that enhances our lives, not complicates them. Despite its widespread adoption and numerous success stories, human-centered design has faced criticism, mostly focused on its practical application. Critics argue that focusing solely on user needs can lead to neglecting broader societal or environmental considerations. Conducting thorough user research and iterative design cycles can be resource-intensive, potentially extending project timelines and budgets. And human experiences and preferences are diverse. Designing for one group's needs might unintentionally exclude or disadvantage others. Human-centered design is a powerful approach to creating products, services, and experiences that meet the needs of people. By understanding user needs, engaging with users directly, and iterating on designs based on feedback, we can create solutions that are not only effective, but also enjoyable and engaging to use. In a world increasingly defined by technology, HCD offers a way to ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around.